The upcoming BMW 3 Series will offer an evolution of the current model's styling. Our exclusive render, above and below, shows what the new model could look like. Read on for more information about the replacement for BMW's popular compact executive car. If you don't want to wait for the new one, check out our current BMW 3 Series deals. Click Login in the top right corner to sign up and configure a new car or browse our extensive range of new, nearly new, and ex-demo stock cars. While it wasn't clear in previous spy shots, the new 3 Series will share similar styling cues with the larger 5 Series. Including more prominent signature kidney grills and hexagonal LED lighting elements in its headlights. The lower air intake, too, has a similar wide rectangular grille framed by silver trim pieces. The sides are visually similar to the current model with a classic 3-box layout, but are longer thanks to the car's new CLAR platform shared with the 5 Series and 7 Series. Large alloy wheels fill the wheel arches while a small vent sits behind the front wheel to provide cooling to the brakes and break up the bodywork. Inside, the new 3 Series will be slightly larger than the outgoing one, offering more rear legroom and headroom. The slightly button-heavy dashboard will be toned down and will use the latest version of BMW's iDrive infotainment system complete with gesture control and digital dials. Build quality will be high and there's likely to be extensive use of leather, piano black and aluminium effect trim to brighten up the cabin. The upcoming BMW 3 Series Saloon, codenamed G20, has been spotted testing ahead of its 2018 launch. It will use the same lightweight platform found in the firm's 5 and 7 Series models, helping it save up to 80 kilograms against the outgoing model. Electric versions, and sporty M340i models, have already been spotted testing, but the latest spy shots show what is believed to be the standard model. Images courtesy of Motor Authority give us an idea of what this upcoming saloon may look like.